Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a template list in your Reminders app on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you have a list to do and you want to create a template as it is being repeated every Monday, for example, a shopping list or maybe a to-do list, then let me show you how to create a template for this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Reminders app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Add List. Now you want to go ahead and give it a name. Now choose the list type. So I'll put on shopping. Scroll down, choose a color, and then choose an icon for it. Now once that's done, go ahead and tap on Done at the top right. Now the shopping list has been created. You can go ahead and add new items in it. Now once that's done, you want to go ahead and tap on Done. Now a list has been created. Now let's say you want to repeat this shopping list every Monday, every week. So to do this, you need to create a template as you don't want to retype all of these items again. So to create a template, go ahead and open that shopping list. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right. And now you need to tap on Save as Template. So now you can go ahead and give this template a name or change the name. I'll leave it as it is. Then I'll tap on Save. And now a template has been saved. So if you go back and then you go to the three dots, then tap on Templates, you'll see the template which we've created, a shopping list. And I've got another template which is the to-do list. So there you go guys, that is how to create a template on your Reminders app running iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.